Wakanda forever. I haven't even seen Black Panther, but still, Wakanda forever. My people! I'm representing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, obviously, you can tell we're filming a Black Panther inspired makeup look. It is my first time doing makeup, so be nice. I'm not a professional. This is just, you know, how I do makeup. My people! Wakanda forever! Wakanda!
The houses come off this stuff.
Forever. Wakanda. Forever. Wakanda. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, then keep watching the video. Hey guys, so the first thing I do is take the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, the pore minimizing one, and I put that all over my face and I just rub-a-dub-dub it in. Next, I take a little spoolie and I just comb up my eyebrows. Yeah, I comb up my eyebrows. And then I take this sleek eyebrow pencil and I just draw the shape that I want and then just fill it in. Next, I take the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer and I just shape my eyebrows even more to make them defined, and I also use it as a highlighter for my eyebrows. I also take that same concealer and I put it on my eyelids as like a primer, and then I put the Studio MAC Fix powder in NW45 to set the concealer, and I use my Real Techniques beauty blender to do that. Next, I take the palette, the Barely There by Model's Own palette, and the color that I use as my transitioning color is called Stark. So I just put that on the corner of my eyes and then I just kind of bring it into the middle of my eye. And then I go in with the color Secret and I just put it right underneath the Stark color. And then lastly, I use the color Exposed just to blend both of them together. Next, I take that concealer and I use it at the bottom of my lids. So the eyeshadow I'm using is actually a blush from the Ultra Blush palette, the Golden Sugar one. It doesn't say the name of the eyeshadow or blush, but it's that goldeny one. It is beautiful. Next, you can just take any eyeliner that you have and just put on some eyeliner. I'm not very good at eyeliner, that's why I had to put tape. Good. Yes, girl. Yes, take off that tape. Oh. Next, you can just grab any mascara that you want. I don't even know what this mascara is called because the letters are rubbed off, but just add some mascara. Let me tell you something, guys. I cannot put on eyelashes. No matter how many times I've tried, I just can't do it, so I just don't do it. For foundation, I use the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the color NC50, and I just put that all over my face. Then I go in with that same concealer to highlight. Then I just take that Real Techniques beauty blender again and I blend, blend, blend. Blending is your friend, guys. When it comes to makeup, you spend like 50% just blending. Most people actually have setting powder, but I just use baby powder. I think it works just as good, not even better actually, for baking as well. So I decided to contour with that same Stark color because it's got an undertone of purple. For highlight, I used the Model's Own Sculpt and Glow Shimmer Bronzing Powder in Deep Golden Brown number 4. This stuff is amazing. Can you check out that glow? Damn, girl. You can cut someone with that highlight. Shoo. So then I just take that same highlight color and I put it on my nose. And then I put it on my Cupid's bow. For the lips, you can just take any black lip liner. I just put that all over my lips. And then on top of the black lip liner, I take the MUA Velvet Lip Liqueur in the color Cookie. So just to finish off the lips, I go back with that highlighter and I just put it in the middle of my lips just to create a more 3D look, and I want some golds on the face. So to create the spots all over the face, I don't even know where I got this. It's just a body paint. You can just use any white, I don't know, eyeshadow, liquid liner, body paints, and then just sculpt the dots wherever you want them. I don't know how beauty gurus do their little, do you know what I mean? Wakanda forever. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this look. I know I'm not that good at makeup, yeah, but it's just, bear with me, practice makes perfect. So I really hope you enjoyed this look, and I guess if you have any more requests for makeup looks, I will do it. Just write down below. Representing my people. Dan tried to do a Wakanda Black Panther inspired makeup. Do you want to show them what you've done, Dan?
I'm adding some to it.
So this is our Black Panther inspired looks. Who do you think wore it better? Write down below. Who had the best Black Panther makeup look? I haven't even seen Black Panther, so I don't even know what Wakanda means, but Wakanda forever to everybody.
Wakanda's the town.
Is it? Is that the, oh, okay. Wakanda forever. See you guys in my next video. Bye.